Good morning again. There are times when you need to prematurely terminate a running fibre. It could be a service that is taking too long, or it could be your program has moved on and no longer needs the results a fibre is waiting for. The first option is a simple timeout. Once the time has expired, the calling fibre is terminated. In our test, we're just using wait for. As always, the coroutine is for testing, not for production. But often, we need to know when a fibre is terminated rather than completed its allotted task. For this, we would need two fibres. The timeout fibre, as we can see, would exit the main fibre. The main fibre will do its thing, then cause the timeout fibre to exit once it is no longer needed. If it worked, the second counter update will not occur. By that I mean if it's aborted. Another way to do the same thing is to use an emitter and the CancelOn fibre command. Now that I've shown 3 ways to abort a running fibre, I can tell you that the second and third are not necessary. From release 2.0.2 and above, fibres includes an aborted flag, so we can use timeout, exit or CancelOn, and it will provide us with the information we need.